Yo, what's up guys, it's Shrimpy, and today I'm going to be taking you through my entire art setup for this year. Let's go. So starting off with the basics, here are my sketchbooks that I use. This is my medium-sized sketchbook. It's an A5 Moleskine art sketchbook. This is where I do my, as I said, medium-sized drawings. Like this, it's my first one, it's like that. It's not too big and it's not too small either. I really like this sketchbook. All links will be in the description. Everything I have in this video will be there. My second sketchbook is this tiny one. My hand's literally bigger than it. I use it to do like testing out markers before I started Doodle, doing really small challenges and like just putting ideas in here. It's a very good little sketchbook to have just to do your little ideas. Alright, my third and final sketchbook, it's too big to fit on the screen. This is my A4 Moleskine sketchbook. It's the art one as well. It's just so good. The colors on it work absolutely amazingly. And just, I love drawing on this sketchbook. See, it barely bleeds. All the colors are super vibrant. And it's just a great sketchbook. Moving on, we have now my amazing drawer full of stuff. Basically, on top I have another tiny sketchbook that I filled up. I did a video on that as well, so you can check that out as well. All my Copic markers. This drawer, I have every single one of my Copic markers, but I have about 70-ish. But yeah, that's all of my Copic markers in there. In the second drawer, we have my colored pencils. But yeah, I got that. It's a cheap little Crayola pack that I got. And in the last drawer, I have my dead Copics and dead pen. Rest in peace, little mechanical pencil. But yeah, that is my drawer of good stuff, and that is where basically I keep most of my markers. Moving on to the actual desk. This is an extremely cheap desk that I got from Kmart. It was like 50 bucks or something. Me and my dad worked on some table extensions, and we have a little footrest here as well, just to make it a bit higher and a bit easy to work on. And then we also made this entire top shelf thing ourselves, and it's really awesome. Thanks, Dad. So for my lighting, I used to have this little light that I just put there and then it would come in, but now I have these awesome windows and curtains that give me natural lighting, and that's just awesome. But we also recently installed these LED lights that light up and then give it just a whole new look on the drawing. See, look at that, wow. Moving on once again, we have my first shelf here. Basically in this little tub, I have a few little tubs. I have some ballpoint pens and other pens. I have my awesome Roy Purdy glasses. We have these brush markers that I use every now and then if I'm desperate, like one on my yellow or something has run out. But here's all the markers and fine liners and pencils I use to do my drawing. But my main one is this. And I get asked about this pen way too much. It's a Pentel, that's the brand of it. Brush touch nib thingy. It has a brush nib that is so good. It's so easy to control and you can get amazing lines with it. Here I have a watercolor pen, big ass Sharpie marker. This is just the Copic multi-liner, random paintbrush. This is my white jelly roll pen. You can get any of them from a Officeworks or any art store. A white pencil to add highlights. A fat calligraphy pen. More pencils, more pencils. This is my previous fine liner I used. It's a Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, which was basically the same as that, except a bit more fancy, and this was very good. Are some little Lego. I don't remember where I've gone from. It was like Hong Kong or something. Next up, we have my little thingy. I don't even know what this is called, but basically, I have some refills, some other random stuff, a Sharpie and a fine liner, another pencil, and that's pretty much all it's used for. Mainly my refills. That's pretty much all my equipment, except for the other stuff, which we're going to get onto. A lot of people ask, how do I film my videos? I actually use this really good little music stand that my dad got for me from the music store. It's really good, it's super adjustable, very easy to use, and it always holds my phone very nicely up here. Pretty much my entire drawing setup. Yeah, hopefully that helped you out. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit a massive thumbs up, hit the red button. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.